You will find most of the items you need for this experiment in your kit. You will also need a marker and distilled water. Label the medicine cups as instructed by the procedures. Prepare the 0.1 molar solutions by diluting the 1 molar solutions as described in the procedures. Fill the small plastic cups in between the 20 milliliter line and the 25 milliliter line. Cut your filter paper into thin 1 cm by 7 cm strips. Pour the 1 molar potassium chloride solution into the 100 milliliter beaker. Allow the filter paper to soak in the potassium chloride solution for 5 minutes. Spread the filter paper around the sides of the beaker so that you don't have to peel them apart once they are moist. The metal strip should be cut to about 3 to 4 centimeters and should be sanded to remove any oxidation. Set up the multimeter. Insert the positive red lead into the jack labeled volt, ohm, milliamp. Insert the negative black lead into the jack labeled COM. Rotate the center dial until it points to the 2000 M in the section labeled either DCV or just V. This is equal to 2 volts. Turn the multimeter on. Place the solid zinc strip into the 1 molar zinc sulfate solution. Place the solid copper strip into the 1 molar copper gluconate solution. Place a soaked filter paper strip between the two solutions so that each end of the strip is in one of the plastic cups. This is the salt bridge. Make sure the two ends of the filter paper are immersed in each of the solutions. Touch the red or positive probe to the copper strip or cathode, and touch the negative or black probe to the zinc strip or anode. Read the cell potential and record it in the first column of the report sheet data table. Since you have the multimeter set to 2000 M, you are reading millivolts. If the reading is 1008, this means 1008 millivolts. Change this to volts when you record the reading in the data table. In between cells, discard the salt bridge. Wipe off metal electrodes with paper towel before reusing them. Be sure to keep all electrodes clean and non-contaminated with any solution throughout this process. Sand them again as needed. Repeat this process for each of the remaining cells in the data table. It may be tricky getting a stable reading on the multimeter. It helps to press the metal strip against the side of the cup with the probe. Use your finger to stabilize the cup without touching the metal strip as shown. Wash all solutions down the sink with plenty of water.